Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about using the YouTube video editor to blur out faces and objects in a video that you've uploaded. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio and then select the Content tab and then Videos. Locate the video you want to add the blurring effect for. So if you want to select the filter option up at the top, you can search by title or video description and then locate the video. And then select the thumbnail preview to open it up. And then select editor on the left panel. And then select get started over on the right. At this point where there's the blur option, go ahead and select the plus sign. And then you can select either face blur or custom blur. And then just highlight over whatever area on the screen you want to blur out. And if you want to do different shapes, you can do that here. And then once that is done, just select the plus blur option. And then once that's done, you would select save. And it would take some time for the changes to take effect. And then you just would proceed with that. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And then again, you can also customize the timing of the blur as well for how long you want it to appear on the screen. Like I said, pretty straightforward. And you can also do face blur, and that should actually go ahead and actually detect if there are certain faces on the screen, and then it would follow along with the video. So it's using an AI program basically to run this. And then you would select apply, and it should hopefully blur out those selected faces that you'd be able to preview here. And then you would select save to save the change up there, and that's all you would have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.